Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delibia again. Hope you guys are doing fine. I'm doing great. I'm in my balcony today because I'm doing a messy video. I'm going to show you guys how I wash my hair using my own DIY black soap shampoo that I made at home. So what you need for this video is your black soap. I got this from a friend who brought it from Ghana. Right here. So this quantity will be very enough for your hair. You can add if you want to keep it for extra use some other time, but I just want one time use, so this is very okay. And since using only black soap makes your hair feel a little bit dry, because I want my shampoo to be moisturizing, I'm going to go in and add some oils. So I'm going to be adding some turmeric oil. I'll be adding some lavender oil. I'll be adding some cinnamon oil, aloe vera oil, mango and lime Jamaican black castor oil, argan oil, and some extra virgin olive oil. I don't know where I kept my peppermint oil. Just a quick note, please, you must not use all the oils I've shown you right here. So if you want to do this at home, just make do with the oils that you have at home, and make sure you add just a few brands of essential oil. So I'm going to go ahead and just chop the soap into small portions. So now that I've chopped the black soap, it looks like this. I'm just going to go in and add some water that I boiled and left it on the cooker to cool down a little bit so it's warm. So that is very enough. So right now I'm going to go in and start adding my oils. I'll be using 1 spoon each. 1 spoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 spoon argan oil, 1 spoon of castor oil, all these oils have their benefits that they add to your hair for hair growth, purifying your hair, your scalp. I'm going in with some aloe vera oil. These oils are all good for hair and skin. So since these are essential oils, I'm just going to be dropping just a few drops, not a spoon. You all know how useful turmeric is. A lot of you do see some people use turmeric powder on their hair and skin care. So yeah, so now that I've placed my oils in my black soap water. I'm just going to let it sit so it can dissolve. So I'm going to let it sit for hours, and I'll come back and show you guys how it looks. So I transferred the black soap shampoo into my spray bottle. So here it is, nice, not too light, not too thick, very okay. I'm going to start applying my shampoo. So as you guys can see, it's really foamy. And it smells so good. This feels so good. So this is what I'm going to do. To my entire hair, and I'm going to repeat it twice in each section. Can you see? And after doing this twice on my hair, I'll wash it, all the hair. Now I rinse it off and do it the second time. Then I'll go in with my conditioner. Always use your conditioner after using your shampoo, and this feels so good. I'll come back, I'll go off camera and do my entire hair, wash it in my bathroom, and I'll come back to show you guys the finished look. So I'm done washing my hair. God, it feels so good. Like, I ended up not using even half of this because, like you guys saw in the video, it was producing so much foam. Just a little quantity that you spray, you get so much foam from it. So I'm going to open my hair so you can see how clean my hair is. Clean, but the smell while I was washing my hair was just out of this world. Like, it feels so nice, so refreshing. My scalp is super clean. So normally when I wash my hair, I like to finger detangle it a bit before doing anything on it, so you guys can see my fingers can go through my hair easily. It feels so soft. Like, this feels so good, so good. So yeah, I just wanted to come in and show you how clean my hair is right now. And I love you guys for watching. Thank you so much. Please, 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 I would advise you try this at home. Make your own black soap shampoo and you will be amazed at how clean, soft and tender your hair feels at the end of it. And you will not regret taking time to do this, and you will never ever want to buy shampoo anymore. So love you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. It's your girl Delibia again. Ciao.